Planning to upgrade your video card? Or just curious how high-end GPU performs and looks like? Stay tuned, since today we will be unboxing MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti Gaming X Trio video card. Let's roll! The first item on top is a black envelope. It contains two cardboard trays with popular gaming slogans, a quick user guide, CD with drivers, and an additional dragon-themed manual for mounting your GPU. Since it's a really big video card, MSI included a support bracket, as well as 6 to 8 pin adapter. Finally, we can have a closer look at the MSI GPU. It feels heavy. Actually, it's more than 1.5 kg or 3.5 pounds. GPU is equipped with quite a huge heatsink plus 3 fans. How about the noise? We have recorded sound at 4 different fan speeds. Here we go. This GPU has 3 display, 1 HDMI and 1 USB Type-C port. To feed this beast, you will need 2 8-pin plus 1 6-pin PCIe connectors. Just like any other premium card, it has a nice backplate and RGB, so your build would look even more awesome. Okay, I got it, it's an awesome GPU, but how it performs in main benchmarks? Let's find out. This is a build we ran some tests on. I couldn't find anywhere where I could compare average GPU graphics scores from Fire Strike or Timespy. In case you know a place, drop us a link in the comment section below. Thanks! Are you curious how this whole rig, including our GPU, performs in games? We will be building this gaming PC from scratch and testing in 7 games and 4 PC benchmarks. I will link a video in the top right corner. Please subscribe so you don't miss it. To sum up, this is a great high-end GPU with ray tracing support. We would recommend this one for someone who is gaming on 4K resolution or owns 144 Hz or higher refresh rate monitor and wants to have tons of FPS in 1080 or 1440p.